Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for organizing your book reading lists. To kick things off, you're going to start by creating a new project in Todoist specifically for your reading list. Doing so will allow you to keep all your book-related tasks in one place, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's move on to our next step, adding books to our project. Simply click on Add Task, type in the name of the book, and hit Enter. The reason we do this is to create a comprehensive list of all the books you plan to read. But we're not stopping there. Here's where Todoist really shines, by using labels and priorities. Assign a label to each book based on genre, author, or any other category that makes sense to you. Then, set a priority level to each book based on how soon you want to read them. This helps us because it enables you to filter and sort your list in a way that suits your reading plan. Now, let me explain why this matters. By using Todoist in this way, you're not just creating a reading list, but a personalized reading plan that's flexible, adaptable, and easy to manage. This is what's happening behind the scenes when you use Todoist to its full potential. Lastly, don't forget to mark your books as done once you've finished reading them. Simply click on the task and hit the Complete Task button. It's as easy as that. And there you have it, your very own book reading list on Todoist, fully equipped with personalized labels and priorities. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a more organized reader. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reading.